Hey guys, on today's video, let's take a look here about a pass. So let's get started. Go right into your 5th tab. You're gonna see passes. From here, just claim every single thing and complete the sets. Make sure to be level 100, not 85 like it says here, because you might run into some problems. So go on, get to level 100 and you should be okay. To unlock this, just hold on to X. And here we go. We're gonna unlock the set and then we can actually go into it. So right now, we're gonna go right into it. To unlock the particular skin, we have to get all these other guys first. So we can just claim one at a time or just claim all. It's up to you. So I'm just going to claim one at a time. But again, you guys can go on and just press claim all. Claim all, you guys will notice what that key is for you on the top right hand side of your screen. For me, that's R3. But for you guys, it could be a different key. Depends what you guys play on. And right now, you guys will notice that I'm almost done. So I can actually finally get the skin. So here we go. We're really close. And finally it became unlocked so we can get it. And there it is. So we can move on to the second style for it. So this is page number 2. We could have done the exact same thing. Just claim all. Or just go one at a time. Don't forget your V-Bucks. Because if you do, you might run into some problems. And speaking of problems, if you run into any problems, also always just claim all and you're gonna be fine. And if you're thinking about getting all this stuff without the battle pass, sorry, you're gonna need to purchase the battle pass. You do get free rewards, yes, and even if you don't have the battle pass, so those are free. But to get the skins and all this stuff, you will need to purchase the battle pass. Anyways, right now we just unlocked the complete set and we got this battle pass completed. So right now we can just equip and claim, and then see this is later. This is July 30th, so we have to wait. I got to level 100 a little bit fast, 4 days in, already there. And we can move on to bonus rewards. So this is how you unlock bonus rewards, by the way, by getting everything from your regular rewards first. And then bonus rewards, you guys will notice that they're right here. But obviously for those, it's level 200, so we can't even take a look at them just yet. But as far as this video goes, we are all done. If you guys have comments, questions, guys, comment down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.